In our last video, we covered how to make large-scale edits to your existing campaigns, such as adjusting bids and budgets using Amazon bulk files. Today, we are focusing on a critical component for refining your ad targeting and maximizing ROI, negative keywords. Negative keywords are powerful for eliminating irrelevant clicks, helping you focus your budget on searches that actually convert. By using bulk files, you can quickly add negative keywords across multiple campaigns, ensuring you're not spending on terms that do not align with your product or audience. In this video, I will guide you through setting up negative keywords using bulk files. We will cover everything from the different types of negative keywords, phrase, and exact match to deciding where to place them in your campaign. By the end, you will know exactly how to use bulk files to keep your campaigns focused and efficient. Let's get started. To start using negative keywords efficiently, it is important to understand the two main types available in Amazon bulk files: negative phrase and negative exact. Each serves a distinct purpose, helping you control how and when your ad appear in the responses to search terms. Firstly, let's take a look at negative exact keywords. When you add a keyword as a negative exact, your ad will no longer appear for searches that matches that specific search term. This is helpful when you want to block irrelevant searches that have little to no potential to convert. For instance, if you sell premium headphones, you might use cheap headphones as a negative exact keyword to avoid clicks from customers looking for budget products. On the other hand, the negative phrase prevents your ad from showing on the searches that includes that phrase in any form. So if you set cheap headphones as a negative phrase, your ad won't appear for searches like cheap headphones for running or cheap headphone wireless. Negative phrase is ideal when you want to block broader related search terms that may not fit your product but could appear in various customer queries. Now that you understand the different types of negative keywords, let's dive into adding them to your campaigns using the bulk files. That is the core topic of today's video. Okay, let's jump on my computer screen and see what are the essentials to add those negative keywords. Now I am on my laptop screen. Firstly, we will see what are the basics you will be needing to exclude a search term at a negative phrase or exact level. Firstly, we need to understand the three types available for the negative keywords. We have negative keywords, then secondly we have campaign negative keywords, and thirdly we have negative product targeting. So let's start from negative keywords. Negative keyword will negate your search term at a ad group level. That means if your campaign have multiple ad groups, you can negate a search term from specific ad groups using this negative keyword entity. If you use campaign negative keywords, this will negate your search term at a campaign level. That means if your campaign have multiple ad groups, that specific search term will be negated from all of those ad groups. Then lastly, negative product targeting we use to negate the essence. For example, if you are running some auto campaigns and you want your ads to not show on specific essence, you can use that feature. Now let's see what are the different types here. To add a negative product targeting, you will be selecting sponsor product, then entity as a negative product targeting, operation as a create. Then you will be adding campaign and ad group ID. These you can collect from your existing bulk files. Then moving ahead, you will state it would be enabled. And then lastly, you will be adding product targeting expressions. Once you add those fields and upload this to Seller Central, this will negate all of those products at once. Then moving into negative keywords, what are the things needed for that? It is exactly same as negative product targeting, campaign ID, ad group ID, because we already discussed that negative keyword will negate your keyword at a ad group level. Now moving forward, enabled. Here you will be adding keywords you want to negate at, and exactly here you will be choosing either you want those to be negated at a negative exact level or a negative phrase level. So from here drop down you can choose that, and that is all you need to negate a keyword at a ad group level. For the campaign negative keyword, everything else remains same. It is just that you do not have to add that ad group ID, because remember, campaign negative keyword will negate your keyword at a campaign level, not a ad group level. So ad group entity is not needed here. Now that we have covered the basics, that what are the entities needed to negate the keywords, let's get ahead into a real bulk file and negate few of the search terms. So for that, this is the bulk file we downloaded in the last videos. So here you can see different tabs here. For the moment, let's go into sponsor product search term report. For this example, I will go with a cost greater than 30%. Let's apply that filter. Now I want to negate all of these keywords. So what are the things I will be needing? As you have seen before, we will be needing the product entity. For that, we will be going into sponsor product, go right at the end of the bulk file, and here we will be creating new entities. Sponsor products, here it would be negative keyword. For example, we want to negate it at a ad group level, then create, and then it will give you this blue line that these are the mandatory fields here. For example, if we want to negate it at a campaign level, so let's choose campaign negative keyword, and here we will be choosing create. Then you can see that ad group ID is no longer needed. But for the moment, let's go ahead and grab those ad group IDs and campaign IDs that you can easily collect from campaign ID and ad group ID column. Copy these and paste these all here. Okay, and let's paste all this right till the end. Okay, now we are good to go. Then the next field you will be needing is this state column. We will be adding enabled here. Moving forward, we will be needing all the keywords. So keywords you will be copying from here. Let's go into keywords column. So here, okay, these are the keywords we want to negate. The rest of the search terms are not relevant because this is just product targeting, close match and loose match auto campaigns. But for the moment, I will copy all these keywords. Let's copy these, paste it here. Let's clear it from here. And then copy it here, paste it here. So for instance, these are all the keywords I need. I will clear extra entries here. Now, once I upload this file to the Amazon Seller Central, this will negate all of these keywords at a ad group level as we discussed earlier. But let's see, we also want to negate few of the keywords at a campaign level. For that, we will be choosing campaign, and here it would be create. Let's suppose these are the exactly entries we needed. Again, for this one, because we are negating at campaign, so we will be adding just the campaign ID. No, not needed. The ad group ID is not needed here. Then moving forward, here you will be adding enabled. Let's clear these extra entries, and then as you move forward, here you will be adding again the keywords. For example, I just want to negate these keywords again, and then here we will be choosing the match type. You can choose either of the negative exact and phrase depending upon your targets. I will be choosing negative exact for all. Just for the last few, I will be choosing phrase. Cool, I have added it here. So once I upload this file to Amazon Seller Central, this will negate all of my entries at an ad group and campaign level, depending upon what settings I have chosen. So see, this is super quick. Within the 5 minutes, you can negate hundreds of keywords. But be sure that you really want to negate these keywords and you have all your metrics filled up. Now you know how to add negative keywords to your campaigns using bulk files, giving you the power to cut down on irrelevant clicks and make the most of your ad budget. In our next video, we will be focusing on how to analyze and remove errors in bulk files. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out our next episode. See you in the next episode.